So here we have arrived at the Accra Zoo, about to take off to the department or the parts of the Accra Zoo. We are coming from the GBC and we just arrived at the Accra Zoo, a very place we want to learn a lot from. And so watch out as we go through all this place, looking at the animals we read and see from our books. But currently we are at the Accra Zoo. We just arrived. Let's go. So we are at the entrance and we have been called to come inside. So and you can see the excitement on our side. You can see the excitement.
Arrange yourselves.
You can see the excitement.
2 lines, come on.
We are putting us in order.
Make sure you are holding somebody's hand. Make sure you are holding somebody's hand.
You can have
2 lines.
In pair, so hold somebody's hand. My friend, just
Stop.
2 lines. Hold somebody. Grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, move backwards.
in pairs.
Stretch, Nesby, move forward. Move backwards. KG1, KG2, move forward.
KG2,
move forward.
KG1, KG, come forward.
Auntie Yvonne, come with your children, please. 2 lines. So hold somebody. Hold somebody.
2 lines.
No, this ones are not 2.
2, 2, hold your hand.
Who is your partner?
So if I count you, you go to this side, okay? Come. So 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we are being directed as to where to go.
5, 6.
And then you can see our beautiful and handsome learners moving in.
Fish.
A very nice place.
What's 1 fish? Hey, governor.
Sir, your name, please.
17.
Your name?
18. I'm Eben.
Eben?
Yes.
Okay.
19.
So Sir Eben is taking
20.
our learners into
22.
the yard or the zoo. We have started seeing the animals. Yes. Auntie, please, good afternoon. Please, good afternoon, Auntie. What is your name? Auntie Sarah. So Auntie Sarah is just here.
I'll be your tour guide.
Oh, okay. That's fine. That's fine.
Some of you can come here. Hey.
Okay. Very beautiful. We are settling in gradually.
Come here.
This is Auntie Yvonne. Looking tired, but I have no choice than to continue doing her work.
Jessie and Curtis. Come this way. Jessie and Curtis, come this way.
Dressed in our anniversary t-shirts and our NAVS celebration cap. And we have our facilitators and the zoo attendants also with us. And so they are excited. They are picking and making commentaries. And we are yet to be led by the leaders of the place. For now, we are standing at where the monkeys are, yet to go through the lessons. And so we are ready to receive lessons from the zoo attendants. from the zoo attendant. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So one of the ways to collect data or to learn here is to observe. Is to what? Observe. Is what? Observe. Number 2 is questionnaire. Is what? Questionnaire. So anytime they ask questions, anytime they table questions for us, we should be able to answer. And then we also have to ask questions. We have to do what? Ask questions. We have to do what? Ask questions. It is very important we ask questions so that we get clarifications of the reasons why we are here, or of the questions they will throw to us, or the answers they will throw to us. Is that okay?
Look at the monkey.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Is that okay?